Get you to the WIAT Storm Track Weather Center right now where Mark's busy.
Yeah, actually, right now my job is pretty cool. There's not a whole lot happening, but we are beginning to see a bit of a transition in our forecast. So there is a decent amount to talk about, especially with how our week ends and what it looks like into next week. Starting off, though, our storm track hour-by-hour forecast doesn't look too bad. It is still offering a good bit of cloud cover, though. And that is because of the clouds we have in place, which I showed you just a couple of moments ago on our Storm Track Tower camera. But our temperatures are in the upper 70s. It's very comfortable out there. Numbers eventually will bottom out around 60 for a low. But again, not everybody will stay in the 60s. I anticipate at least a few upper 50s in a few areas. Here are those stratus clouds, which I was talking about earlier, and as we look at the temperatures throughout the rest of this evening, they won't be dropping off that quickly, and 59 is the dew point. So that's a good gauge of how low the temperature can go before the atmosphere is completely saturated, and then we have fog. So always look at those numbers, and that gives you an idea of how dry the air will be. Warmer temperatures are ahead, rain chances near zero. And we have a weekend that is looking a little more like summer than the end of summer. This is the time of the year we start to make that transition. But summer is one big hurrahs left in the climate for sure. As we looked at the radar, there's no rain across Alabama. The cloud cover as we go through this evening, Storm Track Futurecast. You'll see those clouds on and off throughout the remainder of tonight. I expect we will stay mostly clear with a few of these higher clouds periodically. And then tomorrow again, we'll have that opportunity where there's enough moisture in the atmosphere to produce some of those fair weather cumulus clouds and even a few stratus clouds, but none that will really produce any rain. You need the cumulonimbus and a number of different other clouds that would help to produce the rain. But at this point, there's just not a whole lot in the way of moisture to work with, even though we're a little more humid here at the surface. So as we go through Thursday, notice there's no green on the board here. We're looking at dry conditions. Now, a quick look at our temperatures through the night tonight. Mid and upper 50s through our northwest counties. I've got us at 60 in Birmingham, 62 in Tuscaloosa. Tomorrow we'll warm up a bit more, upper 80s for our western counties. And sunshine, of course, has a lot to do with that, so the cloud cover could tweak that by a degree or two. And then temperatures into the low 50s for northeast counties of Alabama tonight, and then we've got upper 50s to low 60s for the southern half of our viewing area east of I-65. Tomorrow, highs anywhere from 83 to 85. Alabaster, you'll get up to around 84 with those partly cloudy conditions continuing. So tonight, a low of 60 as an average, mostly clear. And again, it's not as cool or as crisp as we have seen. But here's your Storm Track 7-day. Notice there's no rain right through the weekend. That's good news, but the only thing is that allows temperatures up to 90. So it'll be dry for football around the area, but a shot at a few showers.